And that is what the Insta360 GO in FPV mode looks like, stuck to the top of the Mavic Mini. It's crazy how much more stable it is than just the normal Mavic Mini footage. I forgot to run the Mavic Mini camera during that, but if you look at the preview, you could see every time I did like a tight turn, the camera was flickering, the gimbal couldn't keep up. So it stabilizes much better than the gimbal. And the cool thing is afterwards you can go in and you can like add barrel rolls and things to the picture in post. Although if it's a shot where the drone is actually visible, it'll not quite work because you can see the drone isn't rotating upside down. But yeah, it's an incredible look. But I can't say I would recommend anybody goes out and tries it. I don't know if it's the positioning of it or the materials that it's made of, but I was getting various errors when I had it mounted on the top here. I got a compass error, and towards the end there I got the dreaded IMU error, which is like the main flight controller. So probably not something I'm going to try again with this drone, but I am interested to see what other kinds of drones that I can put this little camera on. But one other reason you might not want to try this is that the Mavic Mini doesn't really have any way to properly control it with FPV goggles on, which means that it's very difficult to fly fast and in tight spaces. It also isn't massively responsive, so if you're flying towards a branch and you see it at the last minute, you might not be able to respond in time. So hopefully you find that useful, and hopefully maybe if you were thinking about doing this, it'll put you off, or perhaps it'll be all the encouragement you need. But if you do it, just be really safe. Do it in an area where you've got permission to be there, because like I'm in a remote location in the middle of the countryside. If something goes wrong, there's not really anything of major importance anywhere nearby, certainly no airports. So yeah, if you're gonna do it, be really careful, but probably wouldn't recommend it. If you like this video, I have more videos on both the Insta360 GO and the Mavic Mini up on the channel, as well as various videos about running, the outdoors, hiking, photography, filmmaking. So if any of those things appeal to you, you can have a watch.